Mix the mango with cream. Your grandmother will go absolutely crazy for this recipe. In a blender or food processor, let's add 2 chopped mangoes. I'm using the coconut mango. Then I'm going to close it and let it all blend. Alright, next we will take it and transfer it to a larger container. Now on top of this mango, we will add 400 grams of cream and 395 grams of condensed milk. After adding, it's just up to us to take and mix all this very well. Now I'm going to transfer to a smaller container. You can use a platter. It depends on your preference. After, just place it in the fridge and leave it until it sets. After a while, our mango mousse will be ready. And look how delicious it is. Super quick, easy, and tasty. Make it at your home and I'm sure everyone will love it. This recipe is perfect for using up those leftover mangoes that are in your house during mango season. There's no reason to waste them. And guys, I hope you liked it. This was another recipe from the kitchen of the poor man. Big hug until next time and thanks.